Mama wakwaba wafreme Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo mame auntie Afia Schwar&Prince and afenso eye Prince David Osei a oye Hollywood actor ede ensembia betja. Na ebusuafo ensem Afia Schwar&Prince eken yina ne se and 2024 about na beto no obeye campaign massively ede ama vice president Dr. Bawumia sanso ena Prince David Osei so say yes wa manensa so support vice president Dr. Bawumia na ebusuafo enkofo mienu we ede ensem we beto dwa ena no Saturday abra NPP fo omoto omo abewie a omo eji eye His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia so medio money me kan enkosi o man panin dada John Dramani Mahama coming December 2024 elections here at the Ghana for year nimi na ebusuafo eye owura Samia Wuku na odekoto ni page say congratulations say na Afia Schwar&Prince ede ensemwe ekoto ase na ebusuafo ansa na mede ensema Afia Schwar&Prince mo aka mebro de yebeka ya 2020 abra yeba beto aba na Afia Schwar&Prince etro ne support eye Prince David Osei so e de support my NPP amayoko no na omo aye loyalty to the party a omo HS on beto aso aye campaign e de ama na Afia Schwar&Prince yene ni se na oye NDC ni wa campaign de ama ye His Excellency o man penada John Dramani Mahama na this time around now and as 2020 yeba beto aba na Afia Schwar&Prince ebe kan say ono owo orphanage and I say owo orphans a osho mo wo Ghana hanom yeni ni ma yedi adanse say adepa okofa no ewo orphanage a wa bebe hwe abofre ya onyi kama na Afia Schwar&Prince e kire say ende wo ma me na papa ti ase kra school no wan hwa wi ase edentire wantimi ankobi na obi ade ma me na ne papa nti ase enti His Excellency another Kufuado and a Vice President Dr. Bawumia omo membu we ya omo de eye free SHS e ba no eya dia na na ni hu yi papa 2020 ye beka yo betro ne support e de ema eye His Excellency another Kufuado na Vice President Dr. Bawumia and the Ghana for kasa say Afia Schwar&Prince eye politics mu ashawo and ofia no wa ba because of security Afia be clear said that be onye politics in my NPP and as on campaign in my NPP because of sika na mom se ne Ghana form of teenage pregnancy so ebete mo form de da bonte so beti no betimi akọ school ayampa His Excellency na don kwaku for the buy so o promise on my Ghana for free SHS no or the aba Ghana for ekobi na Afia Schwar&Prince say on person free SHS no betray meeting no 2024 she is still campaigning for a year Vice President Dr. Bawumia intenene enya sempeja kwa na busu afilienti ensem Afia Schwar&Prince ekan Afia Schwar&Prince ena waka say and I quote or say first attempt me 4th November about no mokoto no say first attempt omo de amano enti no I am campaigning massively for him. Congratulations Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Prince David Osei so ebe man reply no say yes one man answer so gidi at 2024 day ebe ejo Ghana ha easy nti we san for Afia Schwar&Prince Prince David Osei a obe campaign de ma NPP amayoko jane nanso despite say Ghana focus say economy ni mo aye den a omo ye prince na no prince I respect you that's we jina nanso a unim yeye because enye free SHS ni gya ha no mi nuanom miensa nechiba ono so nechiba omu na ko free SHS baako otu eko ahanta girls e water crade mechiba direct in ono ko secondary school I think say she honum side mechiba be son of ko free SHS nti me ndana na adrase enye no meto provisions pe everything na nando 5 Sometimes no free SHS ni mu ye de enye easy still ko mu ye de enti no ade enti na ye nto aba enfema NPP for no free SHS no want to aso ya no so review ne so de enya de baba se me nuanu akobi a se obi nso ekobi no nya ho fa so because Ghana gold na timber na diamond na de ade no politicians we di abra na mo man kakra se ye beje India na 2024 de eh amount for so much as a free as on beto aso me make can hwe ntia nsem we e na Afia Schwarzenegger e de abatuya.
Any honorable response. The reason why Kennedy Japan cannot be a president in this country. And then you besua. Me need be no problem me and them. I respect him a lot. Wa bobra, my boss are brand bia kamunyaso. But we will speak the truth.
Sir, Aisha Modi, she loves so much. That's how I know her. Minimum before they say. Sir, allegation ya working. I be confirm ni ama bebre o. One was first na oka sa Tracy Buachene Miss Bell and talk na. Almost ye unim. Me was some video bi so ame hu ye. Ah na ye Miss Bell interview. E wo 3 news na ebisa na say Odasone Mahama ekasa na. Na o se there bi. Na odone papa no na say she really mess up papa no. No, besides, and I then know your papa number. And I'll say, hey, be a papa and peso the number and the bemano. Because first, no, this is Mace Bell's word. I didn't chase for the number before. So why should I chase for the number now? Mahama asked a son a number because of Mace Bell. Number no different was no any needing common was a son. He said, Jaben, walk was say. He said, Jaben, Olon to you. Who predecessor kon oja airbus man why you when nim no sisa nchewi amen kisia jaben when nimumu ene wo se nchewi amen se me die ye gumanu mu bet tell enum oh cases table up cases table up cases table up cases table up utumi nye foko kwasia se John we wu kwa ne ba bi na wu chasing for the wheel any ayi she loves tomboy say Mahama wasisa Ghana for 7 million e de amatres buachi ko tres buachi ehu no kisia jabi tres buachi meni sound baby girl you made what you supposed to do. That is a hustler. I will never be angry at you tres buachi, never, because you did your hustle. The enyamede ma won wo twa no sebe enti wo ton wo twa ni ye wan fa nkodi di akwasiampa for the said ya ebinumu gas bi di akwasiampa for no wo kodi president waji huska Fabo obra Tracy Buachi we jaw 7 billion Fabo obra 7 million Fabo obra because ye di once ye dey man wo da ho ye ba na be ka kire say campaign eno me bisa say kasum scenario ewuni ni tu bebre be say cargo goods wo mu ni na ye campaign e de mama hama wo mu 1 million wo he wo mu 2 million wo he en na wo mu ba radio so ani yesu ye be TV so ani yesu. I'll come back tomorrow. If Kisia Jaben has God in him, if Kisi Kwasiampeni Jaben, special prosecutor Jimmy, special prosecutor Jimmy Tintinto, what the order me who can make yawa mo anche ye we split e bedu eche emebume. Me do nyam me se kwafo bi wa omuntina me ko Ghana o. Wo muntina me ko Ghana. Me sia na ma start di na te me yana mo bia me okay wo ba bua you mind me. And ya muba bromia me Uganda ho mi do nyame ebia na menhie omo na me hu Kisia Jaben so nam ho now nam ho dey ye special prosecutor because say wo kwasiampani leave that fucking officer duma me di omo no nyame ya madomo na parliamentarians ko ye o minya ko jimi ko frem ko ene sada ne Ghana be butu sada no me ma me no obi ahu mi bio because sada na bibie be wie wo chamber ho mi pie free chamber ho no mo akume. Cause will be our budget, double salary for no one for no will be our budget. Wicked people. Oh, the 7 million I could show by us because of crowd tape. You better say tape. It's not true. Anyone who has information, provide. Me, I saw some picture. I said it here. Now Osei pour me. Your box to be a friend of pour me. Designer box to be a friend of pour me. Now I say, a Photoshop, Anna. Say your Photoshop. There is actually a video, a sex video of you. Charlie, Yapon, when I go the true BEC or Ghana, so I know these things I'm talking about. I know how many times people have to bring their kids to my uncle to come and beg my uncle so they can enroll them in a school. And sometimes when you look at the amount of money they are looking for, it is even sad. But this was a problem for them. Okay? It is winya abainbi. Uti ni yipa. Na se ono ba. No ebe identify say aden ye won kwada bebre good street so a airton dog chains ne ho ne ama. Ede na ekoso. Aden ye mfa ide bi mba na sebe akoda bi an kon bedo an obenyo pepa ne so obeko school no onko school. Minia ehiafo party e wo Ghana. Enya me na make am sa no mo ka no. Say Osei Social Democratic Party, that is the meaning. Please. Ubia odwene ehiafo ho. Social Democratic Party. Ubia odwene ehiafo ho. NDC. Social Democratic Party is what they are. Inti womun hihye ene womun susuye no say ye dia edwene oman ene ehiafo ho. That is what it means. So we a social democrat. So we are somebody like a Republican. A Republican is looking at empowering the rich people because they are almost idea and they say the more we empower the rich people, the more they will open jobs. But we have seen say empowering rich people, which is what top 1.9% of the population, doesn't do the magic. Rather, the people that transforms the economy is the middle class. It is not the top. Okay, because you discuss. I'm my top for no. So we move in be njuma nini na no anko yi. Mama typical example in Ghana. And the Ghana for sorry no mo Ekufuado tiso. And banks no mo bank. Mahama himself, okay, gave an amount of 640 million to some of these banks, including Parkway Sindum. I didn't know the man or the man said the beya wa we ye Ghana ni a usika da ho no yetumi de atua oka. But the question is say sikani ko di sikani ni nsem no wo hia ni na wo do bojo won kate ye wo kwadu sika de koto no won saka ya na no